If we're counting the most badass car names ever, I'd say Cobra is in the top 10, no? Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1966 Shelby Cobra 427 SC. The scale is 1/18. The manufacturer is Ertl, the American Muscle line, and the item number is 7386. The model was released in 1993, so it's a pretty old box. We're also unboxing another Shelby Cobra 427 SC by Acme. The model year is 1965. It's also in 1/18, though this one was released in 2022. The number here is 25321S, but the actual part number on the side of the box is SC-198. Let's dig in. Let's first remove the Acme for a minute, then remove this cool green light 4-post lift. This is a Mark III AC Cobra, and it was produced between 1965 and 1967. The shape of the Cobra is known for pretty much all car lovers, but it's the sound of the engine that really captivates people. It probably captivates animals as well. SC stands for semi-competition, which means this is a racing car which was detuned for street use. But what it actually means, the car is a beast. 427 cubic inch or a 7-liter naturally aspirated V8, 416 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, and a torque of 480 pound-feet at 3,700 RPM. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. For 1965, these numbers were insane. Here are some beautiful mid-60s Cobras. The color of this Acme Cobra is Rangoon Red. Both models have steerable wheels and decent tires as well. I'm not necessarily comparing the Ertl and the Acme models for this video. It just so happens that both are still in their boxes, so it would be nice to see them next to each other.
The Acme's racing look gives it a nice character, and the graphics are well made.
The Ertl is a much older mold, and it shows on the paint. But the classic Guardsman blue color stands out for sure.
Big engine in a small car. Love it.
Both cars have working suspensions, which is always nice to have in a die-cast model. The trunk in the Ertl is sealed shut, unlike the Acme. It kinda looks like the rear tires on the Ertl are wider maybe, but they're both Cobras, so it's enough for me. So both of these cars have nice features, and they're definitely worth a buy. The Ertl, of course, is out of production, but you can still find it on sites like eBay for as low as $30 if you're lucky. And the Acme is still sold, I believe, for close to $90. I'm probably gonna be away for a bit because I decided to give this marriage thing a shot. I will be back at some point. I still have a lot of diecast models to unbox, so that should cover me for a bit, because most probably I won't have any money to spend on diecast anymore. My advice to you, fellow humans: invest in things, yes, but also invest in people. And that's that.